Hello guys, welcome to the channel. It's good to have you back. So today I have a huge treat for you. Today we're gonna be reviewing the 2020 Z Luxury Edition Zippos, including the 2020 Collectible of the Year Z2 Vision, and an all new Harley Davidson Collectible of the Year as well. Please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and let us know what you think in the comments below, how we can improve this channel or what you want to see more. Stay tuned to watch all these lighters being reviewed. Thank you for watching and let's get started. So first we have this geometric design lighter from Zippo. All these are 360 engraved all around. So you can see the detail of the lighters. And all these are armor case. So let's go through the next one. So next is an antique silver, one of my favorites. I really like the look of this cross. Armor case. And very detailed design. So next we have antique freedom design. Freedom or death. So this is antique brass. Some very nice lighters this year. Next we have a slim one. So this is one with a Swarovski crystal. Very nice. Engraved all around again. This is suitable for women mostly. Let's hit the next one. So this is a Arabic design pattern. I'm gonna put it down the box to bring it closer. Armor case. Very nice lighters. Let's go to the next one. Next one we have antique copper. This is a world map. Very nice design. .360 copper. Very nice lighter. Let's go to the next one. So this one is called Zippo Bolt Designs. So it has the nice flame on the side. Very cool lighters this year. So next I have a nautical design. This is pretty sharp in antique brass again. And I left the best for the end. The next three are my top choice favorites. Stick to see more. Yep. This is a luxury diamond design. Gold plated. One of my favorite designs. And let's see the more collectible ones in the end now. So we have a collectible 2020 Harley. So usually I don't show the packaging, but we can see everything is engraved. That's Harley Davidson here. $2020 collectible. So very nice work. Also, this is the sleeve. Usually I don't show the sleeves, but this is how you know you have a genuine Harley Davidson Zippo. And the best for last. So this is the 2020 collectible of the year, the Z2 Vision. So again, as I explained, I don't really show too much about the packaging, but this one has its own packaging. As you can see, it has like a white cover. Collectible of the year. Also, it has a collectible box for authenticity. And let's see the lighter. So it's like a mirror finish. So they make 20,020. So pretty nice lighter and very expensive. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. Let us know what you think. And thank you for watching again. Have a nice day.